Project Management Office, PMO. In this section, we are going to explore the concept of the Project Management Office, PMO. You may have heard the term before, but today we will discuss in detail what the PMO is, how it functions, and why it is important for successful project management. A PMO is a department or group within an organization that is responsible for overseeing the management and delivery of projects. The goal of a PMO is to ensure that projects are completed efficiently, meet organizational objectives, and follow established processes. It provides structure, governance, and support to project managers and project teams across the organization. Let's break down the key aspects of the Project Management Office to understand its role in a project environment. 1. What is a Project Management Office, PMO? A Project Management Office, PMO, is a centralized unit within an organization that defines and maintains project management standards, processes, and procedures. The PMO acts as a supportive hub for project managers and teams, helping them deliver projects successfully and ensuring alignment with the organization's overall goals and strategy. Example: at a large corporation like IBM, the PMO would oversee multiple projects happening across different business units. The PMO ensures that each project follows consistent processes, adheres to deadlines, stays within budget, and delivers the expected outcomes. The PMO might also offer training for project managers, ensure project governance, and conduct performance evaluations. Lesson: the PMO plays a central role in standardizing project management practices, ensuring that projects are managed in a way that benefits the entire organization. 2. Functions and roles of the PMO. The PMO serves several important functions within an organization. Let's go over the key functions and roles the PMO typically performs. Standardization: the PMO defines the project management framework and ensures that all projects follow consistent processes and standards. This helps organizations maintain uniformity in how projects are managed across departments. Support and guidance: the PMO provides support to project managers by offering templates, tools, and training. It helps resolve challenges, manage risks, and ensures that project teams have the resources they need to succeed. Governance: the PMO plays a critical role in ensuring that projects align with the organization's strategic objectives. It monitors project progress and enforces governance practices, ensuring that projects are executed according to the company's policies and standards. Performance monitoring and reporting: the PMO tracks the performance of projects across the organization. This includes monitoring key metrics such as project timeline, budget, and quality. The PMO also provides reports to senior management on the status of various projects. Example: at Toyota, the PMO would ensure that all departments follow the same project management processes for product development, like the creation of new car models. The PMO might provide guidelines for project scope management, timeline tracking, and risk management, ensuring the project is executed according to established standards and governance practices. Lesson: the PMO provides guidance, support, and governance across the organization, ensuring that projects are aligned with overall business objectives and managed in a standardized, efficient way. 3. Types of PMOs. There are different types of PMOs, depending on how involved they are in project management and the level of control they have within the organization. Generally, there are 3 main types. Supportive PMO. The supportive PMO provides project management tools, templates, and training. It offers advice and guidance but has little authority over project managers. This type of PMO is common in organizations that have a decentralized approach to project management. Example: a small tech startup might have a supportive PMO that provides tools and resources to project teams but doesn't directly manage or control the projects themselves. Controlling PMO. The controlling PMO has more authority than the supportive PMO. It ensures that projects follow specific processes and methodologies, and it can enforce compliance with project management standards. The controlling PMO may also provide audits and regular project reviews to ensure the projects stay on track. Example: a large healthcare organization may have a controlling PMO that enforces standardized project management processes across various hospital departments. This type of PMO ensures all projects comply with healthcare regulations, timelines, and budgets. Directive PMO. The directive PMO has the highest level of control. It not only defines the processes and methodologies but also directly manages projects. In this type of PMO, project managers report directly to the PMO, and the PMO has decision-making authority over the project. Example: at a multinational corporation like General Electric, GE, the directive PMO would take on full responsibility for major projects such as infrastructure or product development. It directly oversees the execution of these projects, ensuring alignment with company goals and strategies. Lesson: the type of PMO an organization adopts depends on the level of control and involvement it requires in managing projects. Each type has its own advantages and is suited to different organizational needs. 4. Benefits of a PMO. The presence of a PMO in an organization provides several key benefits that help improve project management processes and overall business performance. Let's discuss some of these benefits. Consistency and standardization. The PMO ensures that all projects follow the same project management processes, which helps reduce confusion and increases efficiency. This consistency leads to better project outcomes and a higher success rate for projects across the organization. Improved resource management. By overseeing all projects, the PMO can ensure resources are allocated efficiently across projects. It helps prevent overburdening specific teams and ensures that resources are available where they are needed most. Risk management. The PMO helps identify and manage risks more effectively. By having a centralized view of all ongoing projects, the PMO can proactively address potential risks and ensure that projects stay on track. Better decision-making. By providing real-time project data and performance metrics to senior management, the PMO allows for better informed decision-making. This ensures that management has all the necessary information to support and guide projects. Example: at Coca-Cola, the PMO helps ensure that multiple product development projects are aligned with company goals and resources are allocated properly. By having a centralized oversight, Coca-Cola can manage risks, ensure efficiency, and make strategic decisions about which projects to prioritize. Lesson: a PMO provides many benefits, including consistency, improved resource allocation, risk management, and data-driven decision-making, all of which help organizations manage projects more effectively. 5. Challenges of a PMO. While the PMO provides many benefits, it also comes with challenges. Let's briefly discuss some of these challenges. Resistance to change. Some project managers or teams may resist the introduction of a PMO, especially if they are used to working independently or using different methodologies. Overcoming this resistance is crucial to ensure the PMO's success. Lack of authority. In some cases, the PMO may not have enough authority to enforce its processes or ensure that all teams comply. This can limit its ability to standardize practices across the organization. Overhead and bureaucracy. if the PMO's processes are too rigid or bureaucratic, it can slow down project progress and create unnecessary overhead. Ensuring that the PMO is efficient and doesn't add too much complexity is important for maintaining productivity. Lesson: while a PMO can provide significant benefits, it must be well supported, efficient, and aligned with organizational goals. Overcoming resistance and ensuring the PMO adds value without becoming too bureaucratic is key to its success. The PMO plays a vital role in ensuring that projects across an organization are managed effectively, efficiently, and in alignment with company goals. As we've seen in examples like IBM and Coca-Cola, a well-run PMO can improve consistency, support project managers, and deliver successful outcomes. Understanding the role of the PMO is important as we continue to explore different project management structures and how they impact project success. To summarize, the Project Management Office, PMO, is an essential part of project management in large organizations. The PMO's main functions include standardizing processes, supporting project managers, governance, resource management, and risk management. Depending on the level of involvement, the PMO can be supportive, controlling, or directive. While the PMO provides many benefits such as consistency and improved decision-making, it also faces challenges such as resistance to change and potential bureaucracy. In the next part of the lecture, we'll explore how to make the PMO work effectively within different organizational structures, and how to balance its involvement to maximize benefits for the organization. Functions of the PMO. In this section, we'll take a closer look at the functions of the Project Management Office, PMO. The PMO plays a crucial role in ensuring that projects are delivered successfully, and its functions help standardize processes, allocate resources, and maintain oversight across multiple projects. By understanding the functions of a PMO, you will gain insight into how it helps organizations achieve their project goals efficiently and effectively. Let's break down the core functions of the PMO and explain their importance with real-world examples. And how to balance its involvement to maximize benefits for the organization. 1. Standardizing project management processes. One of the primary functions of a PMO is to standardize project management processes across the organization. This means establishing consistent guidelines, methodologies, and tools for managing projects. Standardization ensures that all projects are managed in a consistent way, which helps increase efficiency, reduce risks, and improve project success rates. Example: imagine a company like Google. If different teams in different departments were using their own project management methods without any standardization, it could lead to confusion, inefficiencies, and errors. By having a PMO in place, Google can ensure that all project managers follow the same project management framework, use the same tools, like project planning software, and follow standardized processes for initiating, executing, and closing projects. This makes it easier for teams to collaborate and ensures that projects are executed consistently. Lesson: the PMO's function of standardization ensures that projects across the organization follow a uniform approach, leading to better control, less confusion, and higher quality outcomes. 2. Providing methodology and best practices. Another key function of the PMO is to define and promote project management methodologies and best practices within the organization. The PMO helps project managers understand and implement effective methodologies, such as Agile, Waterfall, or Scrum, that are suitable for the nature of their projects. Additionally, the PMO encourages the use of best practices, which are proven strategies or techniques that improve project performance. Example: at Microsoft, when a new software project is being developed, the PMO might recommend the use of Agile methodology for its flexibility and iterative nature. The PMO ensures that project managers are trained in the best practices of Agile, such as daily stand-ups, sprints, and backlogs, which help the teams deliver the product incrementally and adapt quickly to changes. Lesson: the PMO guides project teams in using the most appropriate methodologies and best practices, improving the effectiveness and adaptability of projects. 3. Project Portfolio Management, PPM. The PMO is responsible for Project Portfolio Management, PPM, which involves overseeing all the projects within the organization and ensuring that they align with the organization's strategic objectives. This means evaluating which projects should be prioritized based on factors like budget, resources, and strategic value. The PMO helps to ensure that the right projects are selected and that resources are allocated efficiently to achieve organizational goals. Example: let's take the example of Amazon. The PMO at Amazon would oversee the entire portfolio of projects, such as new product launches, website enhancements, and supply chain optimizations. The PMO would help senior management prioritize these projects based on their alignment with Amazon's overall business strategy, such as improving customer experience or expanding into new markets. It ensures that the most critical projects get the attention and resources they need. Lesson: through portfolio management, the PMO ensures that projects are aligned with organizational goals and that resources are used in the most effective way possible. 4. Resource allocation and optimization. The PMO plays a crucial role in managing the allocation of resources across multiple projects. Resources can include people, budget, and technology. The PMO ensures that the right resources are available for each project and that no department or project is overburdened. It also monitors the use of resources to make sure that they are being used efficiently and effectively. Example: in a company like Tesla, when multiple teams are working on different projects such as new vehicle design, battery technology, and supply chain improvements, the PMO helps determine how resources, such as engineers and budget, are allocated across these projects. It ensures that there are no resource conflicts, such as multiple projects requiring the same team member or equipment at the same time, which could cause delays. Lesson: the PMO ensures optimal resource allocation, preventing resource shortages or overuse, and ensuring that each project has the right support to succeed. 5. Risk management and issue resolution. A crucial function of the PMO is to help identify, monitor, and manage project risks and issues. The PMO establishes risk management procedures and supports project managers in proactively identifying potential risks such as budget overruns, schedule delays, or technical challenges and creating plans to mitigate or resolve them. The PMO also helps resolve issues that arise during the project lifecycle. Example: in Lockheed Martin, if the engineering department faces delays in designing key components for a defense project, the PMO would intervene to identify the root cause of the delay, assess its impact, and help develop a mitigation plan. This might involve reallocating resources, adjusting timelines, or implementing new solutions to keep the project on track. Lesson: the PMO's function of risk management ensures that potential problems are identified early and mitigated, helping projects avoid costly setbacks and ensuring they stay on track. 6. Project monitoring and reporting. The PMO is responsible for monitoring and reporting on the progress of projects. This includes tracking key performance indicators, KPIs, such as project schedule, budget, and quality. The PMO ensures that project managers are regularly reporting on progress and that any issues are raised and addressed promptly. The PMO provides senior management with up-to-date reports on the status of projects across the organization. Example. At Coca-Cola, the PMO might track the progress of a new product launch. It will monitor milestones such as product development stages, production timelines, and marketing readiness. The PMO ensures that these milestones are met on time and within budget, and provides regular reports to senior management to keep them informed of the project's progress. Lesson. Project monitoring and reporting are essential for keeping projects on track. The PMO ensures that project status is clearly communicated, and any risks or deviations from the plan are promptly addressed. 7. Training and development. Another important function of the PMO is to provide training and development for project managers and project teams. The PMO ensures that project managers have the necessary skills and knowledge to manage projects successfully. It may offer training in project management methodologies, tools, and techniques, as well as ongoing professional development. Example. At Accenture, the PMO might offer training programs for project managers on topics like agile project management, risk management, and leadership skills. This ensures that project managers are equipped with the skills they need to manage complex projects effectively. Lesson. The PMO's role in training and development ensures that project managers and teams stay up to date with the latest project management practices, which increases the overall effectiveness and success of projects. The functions of the PMO are central to ensuring that projects across an organization are managed efficiently, meet their objectives, and align with the company's overall strategy. As we've seen in the examples of companies like Google, Tesla, and NASA, the PMO's responsibilities span standardization, risk management, resource allocation, and more. These functions directly support the delivery of successful projects, and understanding these functions is key to managing projects effectively in any organization. To summarize, the functions of the PMO include standardizing project management processes across the organization, providing methodology and best practices for project management, overseeing project portfolio management to ensure alignment with strategic goals, ensuring optimal resource allocation across multiple projects, managing risks and helping with issue resolution throughout the project lifecycle, monitoring and reporting on project progress to senior management, offering training and development opportunities for project managers. These functions are critical for supporting project managers and ensuring that projects are executed successfully, on time, and within budget. In the next part of the lecture, we'll discuss the challenges of implementing a PMO and how organizations can overcome these challenges to ensure the PMO's success. Benefits of the PMO. Now that we've explored the functions of the Project Management Office, PMO, let's turn our attention to the benefits the PMO brings to an organization. Understanding these benefits is crucial because they show how the PMO can improve project outcomes, enhance efficiency, and support organizational success. The PMO is not just an administrative body. It is a strategic function that helps drive the success of projects by providing standardization, governance, and support. Let's break down the key benefits of having a PMO, and I'll give you real-world examples to illustrate how these benefits work in practice. 1. Improved project success rate. One of the most significant benefits of the PMO is the improvement in project success rates. By standardizing processes, providing support, and enforcing project management best practices, the PMO ensures that projects are more likely to meet their goals, stay on schedule, and remain within budget. This leads to a higher rate of successful project delivery. Example. Consider a company like Intel working on a new chip design. The PMO ensures that all projects, including the chip design project, follow standardized project management methodologies such as Agile or Waterfall. This helps project managers plan and execute projects more efficiently, ensuring fewer mistakes and delays. As a result, Intel is able to launch new products on time, meeting customer demand and maintaining its competitive edge. Lesson: the PMO improves the success rate of projects by ensuring that they follow standardized processes, leading to higher chances of completing projects on time and within budget. 2. Better resource allocation and utilization. The PMO helps ensure that resources are allocated and utilized in the most efficient way possible. It provides visibility across all projects in the organization, allowing for better decision-making about where resources such as people, budgets, and equipment should be allocated. The PMO ensures that resources are used optimally across multiple projects, preventing overloading or underuse of critical resources. Example: let's take Amazon as an example. If Amazon is working on multiple product launches simultaneously, the PMO will help ensure that resources like software developers, marketing teams, and budget are allocated efficiently across these projects. For instance, if one project requires more engineering expertise while another needs more marketing support, the PMO helps shift resources where they are most needed, ensuring that both projects are adequately staffed without overburdening any team. Lesson: the PMO plays a critical role in optimizing resource allocation, making sure that resources are used efficiently across multiple projects. This helps prevent bottlenecks and ensures that teams are not overwhelmed or underutilized. 3. Standardization of processes. A PMO ensures the standardization of project management processes across the entire organization. This means that projects follow the same set of guidelines, tools, and methodologies, regardless of the department or the type of project. This standardization leads to consistency in how projects are managed, which increases efficiency, reduces errors, and ensures a smoother project lifecycle. Example: at a large organization like Coca-Cola, the PMO might standardize project management processes across its marketing campaigns, product launches, and operations projects. This could include using the same project management software, following the same project lifecycle stages, and applying similar risk management strategies. This consistency helps teams collaborate more effectively, as they are all using the same approaches and tools. Lesson: the PMO's role in standardizing processes ensures that all projects follow a consistent, efficient approach. This reduces confusion, improves collaboration, and helps maintain quality across projects. 4. Better project visibility and reporting. The PMO provides greater visibility into the status and progress of projects. By regularly monitoring and reporting on key performance indicators, KPIs, such as timelines, budgets, and milestones, the PMO enables senior management to make informed decisions. This helps the organization stay on top of project progress and address any issues that arise promptly. Example: at Siemens, the PMO tracks the progress of various projects across the company, such as smart building construction or energy-efficient solutions. The PMO provides real-time data on project performance to senior leadership, helping them make better decisions about resource allocation or project prioritization. If any projects are falling behind or going over budget, the PMO can flag these issues early, allowing management to take corrective action. Lesson: the PMO provides visibility into project performance, helping the organization identify problems early, allocate resources efficiently, and make data-driven decisions. 5. Enhanced risk management. Another significant benefit of a PMO is its focus on risk management. The PMO ensures that risk management processes are integrated into all projects, helping to identify, assess, and mitigate risks before they become serious problems. By providing tools, templates, and support for managing risks, the PMO helps keep projects on track and within scope. Example. Let's consider Lockheed Martin, which manages large defense projects. The PMO at Lockheed Martin helps project managers identify potential risks, such as changes in government regulations or supply chain disruptions, and develop risk mitigation plans. This proactive approach ensures that risks are managed before they impact the project, helping to ensure the project is delivered on time and within budget. Lesson. The PMO strengthens risk management by providing a standardized approach to identifying and mitigating risks. This proactive approach helps reduce unexpected setbacks and ensures smoother project execution. 6. Continuous improvement and learning. A PMO supports continuous improvement by fostering an environment of learning and knowledge sharing. By capturing lessons learned from previous projects, the PMO helps ensure that the organization improves its project management practices over time. It also provides training and development opportunities for project managers and teams, ensuring that they have the necessary skills to handle complex projects. Example. In Samsung, the PMO may conduct post-project reviews after the launch of a new smartphone. These reviews capture lessons learned about what worked well and what could be improved. This knowledge is shared across the company to improve future projects. The PMO might also offer training programs on new project management methodologies or tools to ensure that the team stays up to date with the latest best practices. Lesson. The PMO encourages continuous improvement by learning from past projects, capturing lessons, and ensuring that the organization's project management practices evolve over time. 7. Alignment with organizational strategy. The PMO helps ensure that all projects are aligned with the organization's strategic goals. By overseeing project selection and prioritization, the PMO ensures that resources are invested in projects that deliver the most value to the organization. This alignment between projects and strategy ensures that the organization's goals are achieved more effectively. Example. At Microsoft, the PMO ensures that the company's software development projects align with its overall business strategy, such as expanding cloud services or improving cybersecurity. The PMO helps prioritize projects that support these strategic objectives, ensuring that Microsoft's resources are directed towards the most important initiatives. Lesson. By ensuring alignment with organizational strategy, the PMO helps organizations focus on projects that drive business success, ensuring that resources are used to achieve long-term goals. The benefits of the PMO are closely tied to the overall success of the organization's projects. As we have seen in the examples of companies like Intel, Coca-Cola, and Siemens, the PMO helps ensure project success, optimal resource allocation, and alignment with organizational strategy. These benefits directly contribute to better project outcomes, which we have discussed in previous parts of the lecture. In the next section, we'll discuss the challenges of implementing a PMO and how organizations can overcome these challenges to maximize the benefits of a PMO. To summarize, the key benefits of the PMO include: improved project success rates by standardizing processes and following best practices. Better resource allocation and utilization across projects. Standardization of processes to ensure consistency and efficiency. Increased visibility and reporting to senior management for better decision-making. Enhanced risk management, helping to identify and mitigate potential risks early. Continuous improvement through learning from past projects and fostering knowledge sharing. Alignment with organizational strategy, ensuring that projects contribute to the company's long-term goals. These benefits make the PMO a crucial part of managing projects effectively and achieving organizational objectives. Let's now move on to discussing the challenges organizations face when implementing a PMO and how to overcome them. Project maturity levels. In this section, we are going to explore project maturity levels, a concept that is vital for understanding how an organization's project management capabilities develop over time. Project maturity refers to how well an organization manages projects, using processes and tools that ensure consistent success. Just as a person or organization grows and improves, the maturity of project management also evolves, becoming more sophisticated and effective. Understanding project maturity levels helps organizations assess their current capabilities, identify areas for improvement, and develop a roadmap to enhance their project management practices. Let's break down the concept of project maturity and explore how it impacts an organization's success in managing projects. 1. What are project maturity levels? Projects contribute to the company's long-term goals. Project maturity levels describe the stages an organization goes through as it improves its project management practices. It's like a growth journey that organizations take, starting from an early stage where project management practices are unstructured, to a higher level where project management is fully integrated into the organization's strategic planning and operations. These levels are often measured on a scale, typically from initial to optimized. Let's go through the general stages of project maturity, starting with the lowest level and progressing to the highest. 2. The stages of project maturity levels. 1. Initial, ad hoc. At the initial stage, project management practices are unstructured and inconsistent. There are no standard procedures for managing projects, and each project is handled differently. In organizations at this level, projects may be poorly managed, and outcomes can be unpredictable. Project success largely depends on the skills and experience of individual project managers rather than a formalized approach. Example: imagine a small startup with a team of just a few people. When they launch a new product, they may not have formal project management processes in place. Each team member may work on the product in an informal, ad hoc way, without clear roles, deadlines, or resource allocation. While the product might still get launched, it's highly likely that there will be delays or budget overruns because the project management practices are not standardized. Lesson: at the initial stage, project management is unpredictable and largely based on personal experience. The focus is on individual effort rather than organizational processes. 2. Managed, basic process. At the managed stage, organizations begin to develop basic project management processes. These processes may still be simple and not well integrated across all departments, but there is a growing awareness of the need for standardized project management tools and techniques. Projects are still handled by individuals, but there is an effort to plan and track progress more systematically. Example: at a company like Dell, after experiencing issues with project delays and inconsistent outcomes, the organization might start adopting basic project management methods like Gantt charts for scheduling and basic project documentation. While these processes help manage some aspects of projects more effectively, there might still be inconsistencies across different teams. Lesson: in the managed stage, organizations begin to formalize basic processes, but they are not fully integrated into the company's operations. Projects are still managed on a case-by-case basis, but there's more focus on planning and tracking. 3. Defined, standardized processes. At the defined stage, organizations have standardized project management processes that are followed consistently across the organization. These processes are more formalized, and there is a project management methodology in place, such as Agile, Waterfall, or Scrum, that teams follow for all projects. The focus is on improving efficiency, reducing risk, and delivering projects more predictably. Example: Procter & Gamble, P&G, might reach the defined stage by adopting a standardized approach for all product development projects. Every team is trained in the same project management methodology, and processes such as risk management, resource allocation, and quality control are part of the routine. Project managers at P&G now follow a well-defined process to plan, execute, and close projects. Lesson: At the defined stage, organizations have standardized and structured processes that ensure consistency and greater efficiency in managing projects. This stage provides more predictable outcomes and reduces project failures. For quantitatively managed, data-driven decision-making. At the quantitatively managed stage, organizations begin to measure and analyze project performance using data. Key performance indicators, KPIs, and metrics are used to assess project success and areas for improvement. Projects are managed using quantitative data to predict performance, manage risks, and improve processes over time. This level of maturity leads to more controlled and data-driven decision-making. Example: Consider IBM with its software development projects. At this stage, the company would use data analytics to track project timelines, budgets, quality, and customer feedback. They might collect data on how long each stage of development takes, the percentage of projects completed on time, or how well products meet customer needs. The PMO at IBM could use this data to improve their project management practices continuously. Lesson: In the quantitatively managed stage, project performance is measured using data, and decisions are driven by analysis. This level allows organizations to optimize processes and improve results through continuous improvement. 5. Optimizing, continuous improvement. At the highest level, optimizing, organizations focus on continuous improvement and fine-tuning their project management practices. At this stage, project management is fully integrated into the organization's culture and strategy. The focus is on optimizing all processes to maximize efficiency, enhance quality, and ensure that projects contribute directly to the organization's long-term goals. Example: A company like Apple might be at the optimizing stage, where project management is an integral part of the organization's DNA. Apple uses sophisticated project management tools and techniques, continuously improving them based on lessons learned from previous projects. Their teams share knowledge, refine methodologies, and focus on innovative solutions that enhance product development and delivery. Lesson: In the optimizing stage, the organization constantly seeks to improve its project management capabilities and integrate the best practices across the board. This stage leads to highly efficient and successful projects that align with organizational goals. 3. Why project maturity matters. Understanding project maturity is important because it helps organizations identify where they stand in their project management journey. By assessing their current maturity level, organizations can plan for improvement and set goals to move toward higher maturity levels. This will help ensure that projects are more consistently successful and aligned with organizational strategy. For example, a company that is at the initial stage may need to start by implementing basic project management tools like task lists or Gantt charts. As it matures, it can adopt formal methodologies, begin measuring project performance, and eventually focus on continuous improvement to reach the optimizing stage. As we've discussed earlier in the lecture, understanding project management processes, resource allocation, and performance tracking are all part of a higher level of project maturity. In the quantitatively managed stage, for instance, you can see how data-driven decision-making ties into effective project management and risk management. By improving project maturity, organizations can ensure that they manage projects more effectively, reduce risks, and enhance overall productivity. To summarize, project maturity levels describe how an organization's project management processes evolve over time, from initial to optimizing. As organizations move through these levels, they increase their ability to manage projects more effectively and consistently. The stages of project maturity include initial, ad hoc, no formal processes, highly unstructured. Managed, basic processes in place, but still inconsistent. Defined, standardized processes are standardized and followed across the organization. Quantitatively managed, data-driven decision-making, performance is measured and decisions are made based on data. Optimizing, continuous improvement, ongoing refinement of processes and a focus on innovation. By understanding these levels, organizations can assess where they are and plan their next steps for improving project management capabilities. In the next part of the lecture, we'll discuss how organizations can measure their maturity levels and create a strategy to improve them.